Congress MLA and former Minister Vinay Kulkarni has been accused of rape, kidnapping and criminal intimidation by a 34-year-old woman, leading to the registration of an FIR by the Sanjay Nagar police. The MLA from Dharwad has been named as the primary accused along with his aide, Arjun. The woman claims that her interactions with Kulkarni began in early 2022 when he contacted her through a mutual acquaintance. Initially, their conversations were normal, but she alleges that they soon turned inappropriate, with Kulkarni making late-night video calls in an indecent manner and pressuring her to meet him. When she refused, Kulkarni allegedly sent men to threaten her, forcing her to continue the conversations. The woman alleges that in March or April 2022, Vinay Kulkarni behaved inappropriately with her during a visit to the circuit house in Belgavi. She further claims that on August 24, 2022, Kulkarni took her to a deserted area near Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru, where she was assaulted and threatened. The harassment allegedly continued, and in October 2022, she was taken to Dharmasthala, where she faced a similar assault again. The police have filed a case under several sections of the IPC, including charges of rape, kidnapping, and criminal intimidation, along with provisions of the IT Act. A medical examination of the victim has been conducted. In a counter-complaint, Kulkarni has accused the Women and Power TV MD Rakesh Shetty of attempting to extort ₹2 crore from him following the airing of the women's allegations on the TV channel, including visuals of a video call involving Kulkarni.